Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the soft blur effect on CapCut. So I just set my clips to like 0.3x speed and I selected better quality for the slow motion and just press the check mark button. Then I'm just going to select effects here, video effects, go to basic, select diamond zoom and select the adjustment button. Size, you want it to be around 45. The intensity, you want it to be around 5. The speed, you want it up to 100. And you want the horizontal to be like around 45-ish. And then you're just going to press the check mark button and add it to each of the videos. So just copy and paste it for all of the videos you have. Okay, I need to make it smaller because I can't copy it because there's not enough space. We are just going to do that to all of the videos. And then once you're done, oh, I forgot to adjust one more thing. Select it again, go to adjust. There's another one here, and rotate it up to 50. And you're just going to do it for all of them. Let me just select these and adjust it again. Here and here. Oops. You're gonna want to scroll here, by the way, so just leave it at 50-ish and this one 45. Press the check mark button and you're done. Make sure it gets applied at the beginning of the video and you have the soft blur effect. If I just play it, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.